Alam niyo ba na hindi niyo kailangan maging teacher or education graduate sa Pinas para maging childcare educator dito sa Australia? Although malaking help siya sa application niyo, but it's not really necessary. Hindi ako teacher sa Pinas, hindi rin po ako education graduate. My major was psychology and still I am working as a childcare educator dito sa Australia. Although back in the Philippines, I worked as a student counselor for 4 years, so that actually helped my application when I was processing my student visa. If hindi ka teacher and hindi ka din education graduate sa Pinas but gusto mong mag-aral ng childcare course dito sa Australia, kailangan mo lang talaga mag-isip ng magandang reason kung bakit gusto mong mag-shift ng career or bakit gusto mong maging childcare educator. And ano yung plans mo in the future. Kailangan mo lang talaga siya ma-explain ng maayos, as in like maayos mong ma-deliver yung statement mo. So, hindi naman kailangan na education graduate ka o teacher ka sa Pinas para maging childcare educator ka dito sa Australia. And also sa trabaho naman, they actually don't care that much kung ano yung degree na na-earn mo sa Pinas. Ang mahalaga is you're working towards earning your Cert 3 and diploma. Kasi yun po ang nagmamatter. So yun, and again, reminder lang, if you're planning to take childcare course dito sa Australia, hoping to get PR in the future, I want to say this again, wala pong direct PR pathway ang childcare unless you're a center manager or an ACT. So if yung agency ninyo sinasabi may pathway ang childcare course, meron sa ngayon, pero walang direct pathway. Kailangan nyo maghanap ng mag-i-sponsor sa inyo ng visas. And mataas po ang kompetisyon, ang daming childcare educators dito sa Australia na naghahanap ng sponsorship as well. Tandaan nyo, hindi lang tayo ang naghahanap ng sponsor, but also people from different countries. So yes, pag-isipan po ninyong mabuti.